Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Subaru Crosstrek. Remote starting your vehicle offers incredible convenience, allowing you to precondition the cabin to a comfortable temperature before you even step inside. Whether it's a chilly winter morning or a hot summer afternoon, you can ensure your Crosstrek is ready for your drive. We'll cover two main methods to get you started quickly and easily. The most common way to remote start your Crosstrek is with your key fob. First, ensure your doors are locked. Then, press the lock button once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, which typically has a circular arrow icon, for about 2 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash, and the engine will start. This method usually works within a range of about 50 to 100 feet from your vehicle. For even greater flexibility, you can use the Subaru Starlink app on your smartphone. This method allows you to start your Crosstrek from almost anywhere, as long as you have cellular service. You will need an active Starlink safety and security subscription. Simply open the app, select your Crosstrek, and tap the remote start button. The app will confirm the command and your vehicle will start, offering unparalleled convenience. To ensure a smooth remote start experience, remember a few key tips. Always check that your hood is completely closed and your fuel level is not extremely low. The remote start feature is designed to run for about 10 minutes before automatically turning off, conserving fuel. For safety, never use remote start in an enclosed garage or poorly ventilated area. Always prioritize safety and enjoy the convenience of your Crosstrek's remote start.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.